lead ya. Yes, man.
Well, boy, interview room number 3. Oh, no, sir. I'm not gonna deal with it. Well, you look on this now. It's a bad man. It's not. Never know this day would actually come. It's a Erland Bartley.
Well.
You stay there talk about well. It's going to be a prison cell.
Fucking fool.
You know, say a long time I want to in so. Mr. Hype man.
Fuck you, farm. I come from some entitled to hype.
You go on here. We have on your virgin over the next interview room and they might tell we everything.
My good friend got on me.
You never know. Yeah man, they might tell we everything.
Me nah like look away, looking for me and them did a shot.
Well right now y'all get sell out. And they might tell you where whole I gun them there.
Suck your mother umbrella, you a story teller, nothing what you say. You no believe. That I say love, that I say loyalty.
Oh. You don't believe? You don't believe? You don't believe? I want that. What that?
Look like one of my phone could have passed you and I'm a gadget.
You think you're slick? You think you're slick? I hope you have more same way when we carry in front of the judge.
Going for the judge, tell her about me sit me.
You, boy Erland, you know so we are going to detain you.
What if change if a man get detained?
What you mean what if change if? We have evidence and you are going to get locked away.
No face, no trace, no case, me still lay a roll.
You know say you know the manners.
Cap slap me in my boat.
Oh, so you're full of chat.
Oh, my short words are inspiration. When in a literature, me have a distinction.
Erland! Cut the fuck!
Level no. Yeah. Just watch your tone and buy some bill, no brother man.
So make it answer my question.
Me no do interviews, so fuck your questions. The answer to everything they for me relevant.
Alright, you know what? Me done chat.
Unless you name Jody and Maxwell, you can't chat to me.
Never come out there before me clock, you know.
Yo, we get gunned down in a broad day. What the things we do, what the words when you say.
How what you do? I check me. Come do it. No, come beat me. It's a bad man. Come beat me.
No beat boy, you gunshot straight.
Let me tell you something. Me will fuck you up. You hear that?
What do me don't worry? No way, do me don't worry.
What you mean I couldn't you? Who you think you be?
Me are the manager, the CEO, the boss.
Alright, go on chat. No, go on chat, Mr. Erland. Go on chat, Mr. Erland. Go on chat. Here, go on chat till me circle back. Blood stain chat. You think see a bad man watch it?
Never chick or a child or a cure, not the world, I'll be a fucking Mavado.